Hello everyone, good morning. Today I'm going to make pancake for the kids. I have dry ingredients here. I have flour, brown sugar, I have milk, I have butter, egg, salt, vanilla extract, I have baking powder here. I'm going to be adding 4 teaspoons. I will explain to you later why I'm adding a lot. I know it's a lot, but it's good for this recipe. Okay, let's begin. I'm going to mix the dry ingredient flour, sugar, and baking powder here, and I'll set it aside. Now I have a butter, milk, egg in here, okay, and vanilla extract, a pinch of salt in the dry ingredients. So that's it. Let's begin. You can use almond milk if you prefer, but me, I like the milk. So all the ingredients will be linked in my description below. So you mix it well, but don't mix it too well. If you mix it too well to the batter, you will not have the consistency you want. Okay, I'm mixing my butter right now. You can see it's fluffy already. That is the texture I'm looking for. It's thick, but it's really good. You have to try it. My grandson is crying in the background there. Okay, now I'll set it aside. Then I'll move on to the pan. Now I have my cast iron pan on the stove, medium heat, and I'll add butter in the pan. Pancake in the pan. That's it. Now I'll wait for it. Looking bloaty, so I'm waiting. I'm frying it on the medium low heat. just repeat the process until you are done. This one is for my grandson. Still have one extra. That's 6. And we're done. I like mine with ice cream, so let me take my ice cream out. The third one, I'm just moving the butter around. I don't know why my children like it burned though. I don't know. I guess that's how they prefer. This is the last one. I'm just scooping the bowl. Our pancake is done. Come on, what do you like it with? Nutella? Give me that plate. I'll give this one to Jeremiah. Mine is there. This one to you. Get your fork and knife. You want it with milk? Aside? Okay, take. No. Esther, first let me open inside and see. Oh, that's what the baking powder did. The baking powder make it fluffy. Fluffy. It's not heavy at all. It's really, really nice. That is it for me today. Enjoy your day. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.